Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We just woke up. We wake up around like half an hour ago, but it's good to be alive.
What do you mean by life?
Every day is a blessing. Every day is
I'm alive.
every day is like a great piece of art that you are able to, wake up every morning is a blessing. Right, baby? Right? Tulog na siya, guys. Tulog na ka. Bago pa ikamata, tulog na ka. So anyway, guys, good morning, good morning. Let's start the day, another vlog, another dollar. So anyway,
Need money.
umiyak na, guys. May umiyak na.
Prankster, mommy.
Yeah, umiyak na.
I'm a certified.
Labas, guys. I-check natin yung ating garden. Init, guys. Ang init. O yung ating basil, another variety of basil. So, ayun. Check natin itong labas natin, guys. Kumusta na? Ay, ang daming insects. Ano ba ito dito? Ano po? Gardener. Ano daw? Gardener. Hardinero ba? So, atin ito kunin, guys. Pupuin natin to. Lutuin natin ngayon. Yun yung backyard namin doon, no? Ay, natapos na din siya. So, I can harvest this one kasi wala nang pollen. So, pwede ko na itong kunin. So, ano pa bang pwedeng harvestin dito? Laki-laki na ng ano natin. I think this gonna be get bigger. Yung watermelon natin, no? I don't know how to determine if pwede na tong harvestin. Pero ano pa kasi sila hindi pa malaki. So I have to wait maybe until September to make them grow bigger. I'm not sure because this is my first time to grow watermelon, no? So may isa pa doon, ang laki-laki na niya. May isa doon. Tsaka may isa dito. May isa dito. And then may isa pa. Nandun pa, So, I'm not sure, no? How to determine how to pa nating dito, guys. Baguio beans. Aray. Teka lang. Kunin natin. Kasi sayang. Sayang hindi makuha. Ang dami pa pala. Oh my God. Ang dami, kinain na ng mga guys, kinain na ng mga worms kasi hindi ko na harvest. So tingnan natin, kunin natin, guys, baka tayo dito, tayo mamaya, pansit, no? Kunin natin kasi sayang, no? Mother Nature gave this to us, sayang naman. Sayang. Hindi ko na malaya na mayroon pa pala akong mga peas. Kasi hindi ko na alagaan, hindi ko na update mga few weeks ago nung papainit, no? Kasi nagkasakit ako like for 3 days, and then from that on hindi na ako naglabas-labas dito sa backyard. Kasi sobrang init, guys. As in, napakainit. Napakainit talaga. Ang sakit-sakit sa balat, no?
A few moments later.
I dried sunflower ako dito. Pero I don't know how to harvest ganito ba? Yung pag-harvest ng mga seeds ng sunflower. I don't know. I'm not sure. Pero we'll try. Try natin, guys. Okay, guys, nag-search up ako sa Google, so I have to hang this and able to dry. So ihang ko siya para ma-dried. And
A few moments later.
Fast nila guys. So this is ito, ganun ko lang to. Ayan. Pancake. Papadeliver ako ng grocery, no? I'm using Instacart kasi ang init-init. So I ordered na lang through an app, Instacart. So the delivery person is outside, so she gonna deliver all the groceries that I ordered. You know, she's out there. Ano yung na-order ko guys? Parang nandito yung ano natin. So, ito na.
One eternity later.
Hi guys! Nasasakyan tayo, no? Kasi, the kids asked me to go to the pool. So, nandito na mga bata, guys.
You have the key for the pool?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright,
think
yeah, let's
so.
go back.
Okay, bring it. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm filming. Okay.
Alright.
Let's check. Yes, you can survive.
Yes! I made it. I won the challenge.
You want the challenge? Okay.
Hold my breath and not hold my breath. There's not that many people at the
Yes.
pool. I like that. because-
Baba na kami sa pool, guys. You got the key?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Baba na tayo, guys. Ayan sila. You good?
Yeah, that's good.
Ang init, eh. Are you good? Let me hold that one, babe. This one.
This one's good.
Okay. Oh. Hindi na si Aaron. Go here. They're with, he's with his friends. Guys, we're done na, no? So we're gonna go now. We're gonna go home.
That one has cheese.
Hi guys, welcome back. So, gagala kami guys. Pupunta kami ng malaking tindahan. So, asam ta madto dong?
Try to slap me.
Kuya sa taad to. Nangi.
Kiana, slap me in slow motion.
Hi Aaron, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Ah,
Asa man ta madto dong?
what's that mean?
Asa ta madto kuya?
Publix. Publix. Walmart.
Madto ta na mo adto mi.
Walmart. His name was Elon.
Can you say mo ad?
His name John Cena.
Shh, Aaron, can you say mo adto mi sa dali na ba? Our neighborhood, guys.
Since we have a crew.
You know what? It's still humid outside. It's so humid still. Right, papi? Oo, manyana ko. Ay, no, mato man itag magligo man itag dagat ug ma pasulod. So this is Greenville Ashmore Bridge.
So this way?
Granville.
See,
Granville.
guys.
It's not called Greenville. It's called Greenville.
So, unsa ni oras papi? Alas 8:24 guys. Tanawan ninyo guys. Hayag pa.
Y todavía es de día.
Sí. Todavía
Es
es
de
the
día.
día. Todavía es the día.
De día.
The día.
Día. Day.
Day.
Daylight.
No? Daylight pa kayo.